Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic Labor Day weekend. We didn't do nothing special. We were doing some work around the house actually, but we did visit City Furniture. I'm looking for a piece to put my entertaining dishes, but I need something small that will fit this area. Guys, I had no luck, but I tell you what, do you know that City Furniture serves wine? Yes, there's a wine bar. And I tell you what, it was a lot of fun sipping a wine and looking for that perfect piece of furniture, which we never found, guys. Because again, this is such a small space. Everything we saw was beautiful, but it was too big. So I'm gonna work with a piece of furniture that I actually picked up at City Furniture about 2 years ago. So it's gonna go back here in this corner. As you can see, sometimes I have this so nice and neat, and then sometimes, guys, everything is all over the place. As you can see, I have my wine glasses. I have my bowls that I use for salad. So much things. I think I'm going to have to downsize with the wine glasses. I'll probably put these wine glasses elsewhere. But as you can see, I have everything all over the place, guys. And when I tell you guys, I use pretty much everything you see here. Yes, I do. Now, these are my aprons. Look how sad. I have this in a corner here. And I don't know about you guys, but I like to change things around. I get pretty bored easily. So I was even thinking, why did I even move this piece of furniture? Because I had it here before. So I'm going to show you guys. So here it is, guys. I am going to put this piece of furniture back to where I actually had it. Okay. And I'm going to make this work. I have to make this work. So as you can see, guys, here I have bowls and silverware pretty much everywhere. And this corner right here, I love it because it's very functional for me, especially when I'm cooking. So guys, grab a wine, grab a water, a hot chocolate, coffee, whatever you fancy, and come along. Let me show you guys how I transform this beautiful little corner with all my entertaining dishes. Come on, guys, let me show you. As you guys can see, I love a beautiful print on my dishes, guys. Now, everything is cleared up. Now, this is the best part because, guys, when I tell you, I move things around, I will put them in a spot and like, no, I don't like the way it looks. It took me, I'm not lying, guys, this little project here took me about 3 hours, okay? And of course, I'm also recording So that takes that extra time. And yes, I told you guys we were working around the house. So Hector is there changing a fan. Okay, so while he changed the fan, I do a little content for my YouTube channel and have fun at it as well. Okay, so let's keep doing this, guys. Now here's a little sneak peek, guys, of how it is coming along. And trust me, guys, it's not gonna look like this at the end because yes, I moved some things that I just didn't feel it. Now I'm having a hard time with this top shelf up here because I'm not gonna be able to reach it. So whatever I put up there, it's gonna be something that probably I don't use. So I'm going to see what I will end up putting up on that top shelf. So let's see. Now, guys, I wanted to show you guys these cordless lamps. They're actually rechargeable. I love them. And I picked up a few actually, which I have all over the house. The good thing with a lot of these is you can actually use outdoor as well. I was going to use one here, but nah, it just doesn't look good. But I wanted to share that with you guys. Now, guys, this is done. It came out beautiful. And guys, it did, I said it before, and I'm going to say it again, 3 hours. But I love it. I love it. I think everything is in its place. And this piece of furniture served its purpose. I am so happy that I did not pick up a new piece of furniture, or I did not find one, may I say, because I had this all along. And you know what, guys? This is what I had here before. Don't ask me why I switched it. But you know what? I think it's going to be here for a very long time. I like the look. I think it looks very cottage, very homey, and it's perfect. It's going to serve its purpose. And as you can see, guys, I'm using every space. There's no space, actually. Guys, I sure hope you have enjoyed this short little video. And remember, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell, guys, so you guys don't miss out on videos. Until next time, much love. Cheers. Bye-bye.